sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, depending your location and depending where you are watching from. So, this same your boy, Igbo traditional masquerade and culture. One love to my fans. I'm here to tell you Udo in Igbo language, peace in English language. If I'm correct, I don't know. But even though I not get them, make gonna help me set and wear me there alright. So what I'm here to tell my fans and my upcoming fans is to make peace with whosoever it may be that you are having issues with. It is good to be in peace, rather to be in what will I put it, in pieces. It's good to be in pieces, rather to be. It's good to be in peace, rather to be in pieces. English not my mates. You're supposed to understand where I'm going to. If I make mistake, just set it well. Guys, I beg. I'm using this opportunity, this time, this moment to tell you guys, we're about to enter the new resolution, the new year. When you want to cross over to that year, before you cross over, try to settle with whosoever it may be that you're having problem with. It's very important. It's very important for your life, for my life, for whosoever it may be. Have you checked yourself? Have you checked? Know why you are not getting so many things? I'm trying to tell you here, that peace brings so many good things to you. That peace brings so many blessings, many breakthrough, many open doors to you. That peace attracts so many good things to your life, but so many of us don't understand what it is to be in a united family, peace and organization, good peaceful environment. Please, I'm begging. I'm trying to tell you with this more time that I just want to talk with you guys. Please try to unite with whosoever you're having issues with. Try to settle. Even if your mother, your father, your daddy, your brother, your auntie, even your cousin. Call am, brother, come, I want to talk to you. If the guy is too arrogant, no look his face. Talk to am man to man, woman to woman, or woman to man to woman. Tell am, nne, come here, be here. I want to talk to you. This thing that we are doing, I no longer like how it's going. I want us to settle. I'm sorry. It will not take anything out from you. It will not take anything out from you. Rather, it will bring much harmony, joy, and so many good things to you. If you think I'm lying to you, just try it and check. If it is lie, ọ bụ na nna atụrụ gị asị, ime ihe bịachi ya here to tell me that ọ gara ọfụma. Biko do this network thunder fire you. But please, I really appreciate any moment that we share. But please, I'm begging, do this thing for me. Do this thing for me. Do this thing for your small boy. Do this thing for me, for your small boy. I want us to just be in peace and harmony. It's good. It's good. It's good to be in peace. I beg. I beg my fans and family. The people that bring me to this stage, I thank you each and every one of you. I really appreciate this moment. I love you all. Mwah. Bye bye. Uru. See you in my next life. See you in my next life. But try to unite. So try to unite. Don't forget this. Try to unite. It's good to be in peaceful environment. Even though they're in a war zone, make them love you. They're mad.